There's no safe like SimpliSafe. I am a DIY guy, so the fact that SimpliSafe security systems are delivered straight to your door and you install them yourself appeal to me. SimpliSafe's 24/7 professional monitoring is powered by Fast Protect technology. When a threat is detected, SimpliSafe's monitoring professionals promptly contact you and dispatch first responders to your home. With the addition of a SimpliSafe Smart Alarm wireless indoor security camera, you are able to keep tabs on your property whether you are home or away, and with the season of summer vacations in full swing, that's exactly what many people are looking for. Exclusive to SimpliSafe SimpliSafe is their 24/7 live guard protection. This allows professional monitoring agents to see and speak in real time to intruders in your home via the new camera. It instantly triggers the alarm with a built-in siren and captures evidence to verify the threat is real so you get priority emergency dispatch. Imagine an intruder thinking the coast is clear and being blasted by an alarm and receiving warnings from the monitoring agent that police are on the way. This protection plus more is offered at less than $1 a day. That is less than half the cost of traditional home security brands and comes contract-free, meaning you can start and stop anytime with no hidden fees. LiveGuard and the Smart Alarm camera integrates seamlessly into the whole home SimpliSafe system for comprehensive 24/7 protection. Don't wait until you're saying, I wish I'd ordered a SimpliSafe security system. Take action and save 20% on your SimpliSafe security system when you sign up for a Fast Protect plan and get your first month free. Visit SimpliSafe.com/HomeMadeHome to customize yours.
SimpliSafe on.
Got all the doors painted, went with white. I know that makes some of y'all mad. So I sprayed all the doors. That was to get the material on there quickly, the paint, the primer and the paint, and then went over them with a brush. Then the final coat of semi-gloss on the doors, I sprayed it and did not brush it. So they've got a good look. It's nice and even. That final spray job makes it look really smooth. But the first two, the primer and the first coat of semi-gloss, brushing it in, presses it in, it fills in some of the areas in the wood, some of the pores just a little bit, and it makes for a better final spray. And there was some sanding in between some of those as well. Just rolled, sanded, and re-rolled the face frame. So we'll get everything all put back up and see what it looks like. There they are. I'm pleased with them. White was not what I thought I was going to do at first. And while it was one of the suggestions you all gave, it wasn't one of the most common ones. The most common were some sort of, gray. It was a lot of people said like navy, but that's just way too dark in my opinion for this kitchen. I'm really liking it. I've got a friend and his parents redid their kitchen, expensive renovation, not this type of stuff. And their cabinets are painted white. They have white granite countertops and black pulls. And then they do have a kitchen island, the same granite countertop, and a navy. That was painted navy. So I can see where the navy would look good, but in this kitchen, it's just not as roomy. And I liked the way their kitchen looked. So I think this is pretty good looking, and it'll be easy to touch up in the future. So I'll just be able to semi-gloss, I'll be able to wash it and repaint the fronts of the doors as needed. A few people asked, there's going to be a filler strip that goes in right here. I'm going to make it and pre-paint it and then install it. The same thing for a piece here that will get this to the right size for the dishwasher. I also need to put the, I don't know what you call these, end caps, just this end panel, I guess. And you can buy them, they're pretty expensive. I'm going to cut them out of some Luan that I already have. Pre-paint them white and then attach them. So there's one of those on either side and then here. The other thing I need to do is run a wire from here up through the wall into this cabinet. Forgot to do that for the fan that will go over the oven. And other than that, I need to get the countertops mounted. Next, I think I'm going to go ahead and just focus on this. I want to get all the stuff I just mentioned, trimming out the window, go ahead, get the dishwasher, just go ahead and finish this off and have that be done, and then focus on the bathroom. Basically, I'm just going to stay in the kitchen and the porch, just this whole little bathroom, kitchen, porch area until it's finished. That is going to have to do for this video. I've got to go do some things, but when we come back, I'm hoping to get quite a bit done. I really want to try to hammer on this kitchen project, finish it up. The rest of the house really is close. The bathroom upstairs will be the biggest amount of work, tiling in the tub and whatever else I do. So that's about it. Thank you to SimpliSafe for sponsoring the video. Be sure to check them out if you haven't already, or if you have, reconsider them. The link will be in the description below. SimpliSafe.com/homemade-home. Tell them thank you in the comments, if you don't mind, for all the sponsored videos that they have done. I think that pretty much wraps it up. You can also see my ebook, Cheap Houses, How I Find and Buy Inexpensive Real Estate, only $4.99, available on Amazon and directly off my website, as well as a PDF where you can print it. People ask about the audiobook version of it. I'll do it one day, I promise. I recently gained access to a little sound booth, so I think I can do some easy and high quality audio recordings. I might try to do that soonish. I don't know what that means though. I thought this house was going to be done soonish. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.